Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove or insert a SIM card into your Motorola Droid Razr Maxx Ultra. So these are a little bit different. Before removing your SIM card or inserting your SIM card, go ahead and power off your device. To power off your device, click the power button and power off. Now, after your device is powered off, where the SIM card here in this phone is stored is actually under the volume buttons. So from the back end of the phone, stick your fingernail in here or something sharp and just pull it out, and your SIM card will be right over here. So if you want to remove it, pull that out, take the SIM card out. If you want to put the SIM card in, insert your SIM card. Make sure it's aligned and push it down, and that's it.